Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to add arrows to lines in Canva. First, what you need to do, on the left hand side, click on Elements tab. Navigate to Shapes. You can either browse through categories or use search bar to find lines. Now select the line that you want to use. Once you edit line to your design, you will see properties on upper left. You can customize line style, such as making it dot or round it, and adjust line weight. But what you want to do is look for the line start and end button. These allow you to add arrowheads to line. Click on Desired Arrowhead Style for both to the start and end of the line. You can further customize the line by adjusting its length, width, and color. You can move and rotate the line as needed to fit your design. You can also add elbow line option to create more complex diagrams. Adjust the points and bars to achieve desired look. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.